Let Amazon pick and shipping your orders. A seller primary ship and product the primary customer with additional charges. On the other hand, defends Amazon the shipping or final target. If you looking creation account, they have new starting seller product done by subscription fees will depend on defense fees, referral fees, selling plan, Amazon other feature. Amazon use and create an Amazon seller account, business email address, credit card, government ID verification, process customer tax information, phone number, a bank account will be Amazon send process from seller.